last year's Defensive Player of the Year. Jimmy B knocks it in. What a shot. Boston had a 21-2 run. Miami had a 19-2 run. Closing the quarter.
And there's a reason he was an all-defensive player this year for the Celtics.
Butler takes it in on White. Corkscrews his way for two. Over the last 48 seconds. Love's got it. Brown in front. Cutting is Butler. Smart defending. And Jimmy Butler's got 16. Halfway through the third, Brown aggressively blocked by Butler. Oh, saved by Butler and then out of bounds.
Just great defense here.
Oh, it's terrific.
By Jimmy Butler.
Out it bobs. Picked up by Butler. To the trailing Adebayo, who takes it. Riding the carpet inside.